Do you know exactly how the money in your high-yield savings account grows every single day? It might seem like magic, but for accounts like the one at Bread Savings, it's a precise mathematical process. Today, we're breaking down the simple, yet powerful, method Bread Savings uses to calculate your interest daily, ensuring your money is always working for you. When you see a great annual percentage yield, or APY, from a bank, that's the headline rate. But what you need to understand is how that rate translates to daily growth. Bread Savings, like many top high-yield accounts, uses what's called the daily compounding method. Here's the simple breakdown. Every day, Bread Savings takes your current account balance and applies a fraction of the APY to it. Think of it this way: they take the stated APY, divide it by 365, the number of days in a year, and apply that very small daily rate to your money. The key to the high-yield benefit is the compounding. Because the interest is calculated and added to your principal balance daily, tomorrow's interest calculation isn't just based on your original deposit, but on your original deposit plus the interest earned today. The next day, it's calculated on that new, slightly larger total, and so on. It's this daily compounding that truly accelerates your earnings over time, allowing your interest to earn interest. Now, while the interest is calculated and applied to your account balance every single day, it's not always paid out daily. Bread Savings typically credits the interest to your account on a monthly basis. So, you might see the balance tick up slightly once a month, but rest assured, the calculations and the compounding are hard at work behind the scenes, every day of the year. The power of daily compounding is why you want your savings in a high-yield account like Bread Savings instead of a standard checking or low-interest savings account. A small difference in the method of calculation can make a significant difference in your long-term wealth building. It's not just about a high rate, it's about a high rate that compounds as frequently as possible. So there you have it. The seemingly complex process of interest calculation is actually a simple, daily division and addition that ensures you get the most out of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.